Welcome to MathJip. This video I'm going to simplify these two important math which is very important for SAT, IGCSE and Math Olympiad. Let's start. First question, 8 to the power root 2 times 16 to the power root 2x. This is 8. Our first target to make similar base. So this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 and here is root 2. Similar, this is 16, this one we can write 2 to the power 4 and together root 2x. Okay. Now look, the base are same. We know a theory which is a to the power m equals to a to the power n. Once base are same, that time power will be equal, it means m equal n. Now similar thing here is 3 root 2 equals to 4 root 2x, right? Because base are same, which is 2. Now we can square both sides. So 3 root 2 square equals to 4 root 2x square, right? Then 3 square means 9 and a root 2 square means what? 2. 4 square means 16 and a root 2x square means root will be out, so 2x. Now 9 times 2 is 18 equals to 16 times 2 is 32 and here is x. Now we can divide both sides by 18, so we can write x equals to what? 18 divided 32, right? Now what can we do? Now we can divide denominator and numerator by 2. So 18 divide 2 is a 9 and 32 divide 2 is a 16. So our answer is x equals to 9 divide 16. This is our answer. So first question answer done. Now we will start second question. Second question we have to think very carefully because these kinds of math looking very easy but some confusion making. So here is 32 divide root 8. So we can simplify like 32 divide this root 8 we can write 4 times 2, right? And here is 8 divide similar 8 means 4 times 2, okay? And here is 4 to the power x. Now we will not do anything against 4 to the power x. So now 32 divide root 4 means 2. So 2 root 2. Same 8 divide root 4 means 2 and here is root 2 equals to 4 to the power x. Now this one we can write 32 divide 2 root 2 and here is 8 divide 2 root 2. This is the same thing, right? And here is this 4 to the power x we can write 2 to the power 2x. Now this is 32 divide 2 root 2. The fraction will be flipped times, so these 2 root 2 will become numerator and 8 become denominator equals to 2 to the power 2x. So these 2 root 2 and this 2 root 2 out and 32 divide 8 is a 4. So 4 equals to 2 to the power 2x. If anybody want, they can keep 4 to the power x, right? 4 to the power x we can keep 4 to the power x, 4 to the power x because here is 4. So similar, this one is 4 to the power x, no need to change anything. Now look, 4 to the only 4 means the power is 1 and here power is x. Therefore we can say here base are same, then power will be equal, so 1 equals to x. Our answer is, so x equals to 1, and this is our answer.